I made the Lego case, but with a twist. To start building this, we need the base. My iPad is 25 centimeters long, so that's around 36 studs of Lego. Now we have to build the walls for the case. Now we have to build in the inside. So now this is where the gumballs are going to be stored, and this is where it's going to be dispensed. Now we're going to have to make a lever. My idea on to dispense the gumballs is to have this simple lever placed here, so that when the gumballs fall down on the incline, they fall into here, and when you push them out, they go down the hole. So let's place this lever into here. And now it works. Now let's build the second layer.
Deep in the night, fear takes its hold. The darkness creeps, the story unfolds. Lost in the maze of a twisted mind, haunted by shadows, even me blind. Haunted by shadows deep in the night.
Now we will work on the stand. I already have a pre-made one, so I'll just turn over the case and put the stand on. Gotta make it secure. There we go. And now we can lift it up and it will stay. Let's now add the gumballs inside to make it an actual gumball case. There we go. And now it works. Now let's finish the rest of these walls. I'll be using a different color now, dark blue, because I ran out of the other one. Now we're almost done, but we need to make it so the iPad cannot fall out when we're turning it. So and I'll make room for the button so that we could still turn it on.
Underneath the stars where the night is cold, in the dark of night the demons hide bold. A dance of shadows with the rising sun, whispers in the dark, a battle to be won.
And there you go.
My eyes wide
We finished
open,
the
heart
case.
starts to pound.